Hey, thanks for joining me on my channel. I'm glad you're here. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I do the 4-strand braid. It is quite easy. That's if you pay close attention. Even though it's a 4-strand braid, the main focus will be on one strand only, and that will make it very easy. Now follow me. The first thing I did was section the hair into 2 halves, and then each half I section into 2, and now I have 4 separate strands. Our focus will be on the one that's on the extreme left, this one. I'm going to move it across to the extreme right. Now I move it over the ones closest to it on the right side. It's right here now, and I'm going to move it under the one closest to its right. It's right here now, and then I'm going to move it over the one that's closest to the right. Now mission accomplished. Now I have the extreme left onto the right side. Now we're going back to the extreme left side, this one. We're going to move it over the one closest to it, and under the one closest to it, and over the one closest to it. Mission accomplished. It's now on the right. Now we're going to continue. Go back to the left, move it over, under, and then over, and now it's on the right. We're going to go back to the left, over, put it under, and then over the one and the end. And we're going to continue with this pattern until we get it. Now if I'm moving too fast for you, you can slow the video down, but remember, your main focus will be on the braid or the strand that it is to the extreme left, and we're going to try to move it to the extreme right. And if you continue doing that, you'll get it quick and easy. So this is the 4-strand braid. And you can always rewind this and watch again. Oh, by the way, what I did at the end was to merge them into a 3-strand braid when I reached the complete end. I do apologize. I didn't realize I was out of frame when I was doing the end, so I didn't have a video for that. My apology. Thanks again for watching. I really appreciate you.